Hi, Becky. I literally have no idea what he's doing because I'm trying not to move. Oh my gosh, he's
like, hurry up and we'll be done.
They don't like anything. He's got your hair.
He's got your hair tied.
Right in your ear.
Martine.
Hey,
Oh, look at the little one.
we're best friends now. I'm gonna go be a pirate.
Oh, God. This is like a headless
You are sweating, girl.
I can't take a picture.
Oh, really? Because it's too far.
Yeah.
Just push. Really? Yeah. Look at me.
That's so cool.
Don't look like you're in pain.
I'm calm. I'm cool. I'm collected.
Are you?
Go bite each other.
Who wants to take him off of me?
Not me. Judy, can you step out?
Me and Martina. Yeah, I know.
How you doing, Becky? This actually really hurts my head, but
Oh, really?
well, not like too bad. But like if I move it all, my hair is like in braids. So look at him. He's so
I
cute. He just like whispered in my ear. Alice, you're doing
You have a hat. You have a hat. It won't hurt.
Hi, buddy.
Take a picture.
Here, wait. Look at little.
Like little boy.
Little boy.
You look like the devil.
Uncomfortable? No? Are you lying?
Wati.
Is that a caper?
Llama Orfi.
There's a sloth right there.
Orfi. Orfi.
Orphy.
¿Y por qué eso es tan reservado?
Ven,
Esto está rescatado. Unas semanas que le hemos rescatado del mercado negro.
Aww.
It looks like a teddy bear.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so happy.
Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, can you please take this? Voy a llorar. Wait, wait. Yeah. Also, like, can someone else take a picture of me?
Maria.
Scoot back.
Maria.
Okay. Oh, Kelly. Eres una amiga.
Why is he a happy little nug?
Wait, let me get the little.
Tanya, you would like him.
Oh my gosh. He's so content. Kelly, I'm going to show you this after. He's so soft.
Wow.
Pancho.
You wanted this, I took it back.
Aw,
Oh, it's so cute.
that's adorable. Look at. Wow. Oh, he looks like he's sleeping. Aww.
So comfy.
I know. Yeah.
So nice.
Selena, thanks for letting me
Oh
have
my
this.
God. You're welcome, dear.
Wait, can you move your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, I know you're turning.
No, I know. He's great.
Oh, just don't step on my thing.
Yes.
First you. Dude, I take like a step that way.
What way?
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Oh, look at him. Becky, look at me.
How do you guys grab him?
Hello, I have Paco.
There you go. Right there.
Right there. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Absolutely.
Wait.
Perfect picture.
Oh, did he just sneeze? He just sneezed. That is the cutest thing ever. Hello, Pancho.
Hola, Pancho.
How you doing? Oh, thank you for calling with me.
He's so cute.
Yeah. I wanna get a chance to hold you too. Yeah, why don't you go to Cali? Oh, sorry, I just go to Cali. Go to Cali. Go to Cali. Go to Cali. No. Oh, this is.
Give him a little
Okay,
grab.
here. He's going to help you. Oh, no,
Yeah.
she was next. That one, yeah.
She's next.
Panchito.
Wait, this is the
Nice.
That was really funny.
We're open? Yes.
Get people
Esa es la anaconda.
Anaconda.
I just held that.
It just seems
He sends fear. Babe, come here.
Kelly.
I thought he's a lot calmer.
Well, that's
Do you have a tongue?
Judy, they should smack you.
No.
I'll throw the anaconda.
¿Cómo se llama?
Juanito.
Juanito.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's gonna
Juanito, ¿qué haces? ¿Y por qué está?
Tiene
Sam.
4 meses. ¿Quién quiere otro?
Okay,
Ponerlo.
beauty. Like lines of the jungle. I have no idea. Whatever. We just had one that I did not like. It was really spicy. But I'm really excited for this pink one. I had the pink one that I was excited for, and now it smells really bad. It smells so bad. Lines of the jungle. This one's much better than the other one. It just has a weird aftertaste.
Don't get drunk, huh?
What on earth is that flavor? They all have like a weird flavor that... It's not the alcohol. It's like... This one's yellow and I'm very nervous to try it. It smells like ginger. Hey, hello, welcome to how I like used to vlog. Well, how I still vlog, but like it's not usually nicer quality. Abajo, centro, adentro.
Very intelligent.
Oh, I hated that. That's You just said holy guacamole. What the freaking? That was the best thing I've ever heard. Dude, like the back of my head is crazy. What is he? He's making a smoke plant. Dude, I'm like dehydrated. I'm gonna get like. Yeah, that's flavor I didn't like. That's in all of them. Okay,
That's where it came
we're done with the undershot from Becky. The storm coming in, he just promised that it was gonna be intense and there were gonna be thunder and lightning. So if there's not, I'm gonna be really disappointed.
Straight up.
And that bug's name was Becky.
Hello, Becky's fans.
I'm never quit for you today.
Yeah, good job. I just got the victor here.
Make sure it's filming. Oh yeah.
Here's Becky fishing. Yeah, get that commentary a little bit. She's so good at it.
That's her third finish. Oh!
Eat it. Bite its head off. Tanya's less good at fishing. But at least 2 is very good. Look!
Oh yeah!
Becky caught it!
Oh my gosh! You got it on the video.
Hell yeah.
Hang on, I need to chill down so it doesn't hook. Ow! I just hit myself on the hook.
What a natural.
Let's take a picture with our sardines.
That'd be funny.
It's a video. Dude, I can't believe I just caught that. Maybe I should just have it filming all the time because I don't catch something. Callie, do you want to explain where we are?
About to go to a floating restaurant. Hopefully it doesn't cost us an arm and a leg.
We left the expensive island restaurant and now we're walking in the streets. I got a frozen lemonade.
Alright, I won.
This is my bruschetta and we also are splitting a pizza. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
I didn't like the pizza and we got ice cream. One to buy. Bye, pizza. Bye. It's the next day, and we're in Lima, and we have a bus ride of 3 people. We have nothing to do until then, so we're just walking. We're just dead. We're just here. I got to shower last night, and now I feel so much better. Tanya with her You're welcome. We're at the bus stop now. We got here, and then we waited for a little bit, and then they told us that our bus was going to be an hour late, so now we're playing Burn.
Alright, so that goes on your first one there, top up.
How you doing?
It's supposed to be flipped.
It's supposed to be flipped. Wow.
Yeah. No, yeah.
We just got on the bus. It was an hour late. It's really loud in here. They gave us a pillow this time. Are you guys ready to be on this bus for 17 hours?
I'm ready to crack out for 17 hours.
Okay, so we're on the bus and we were like going, and then there was like a little like replica on like a hill really far away of the Rio de Janeiro like Jesus statue, and so Callie took a picture of it and sent it to the group chat and said that we were in Brazil. Callie, you wanna explain what we did?
So
I took a picture of the fake Rio de Janeiro Jesus and made everyone have a heart attack because I put in the group that we were stupid enough to get on the wrong bus and that we were in Brazil. And then
I didn't sleep at all. I had a horrible night. I had to go get my visa like right after this, so like I can't even go home and relax. I literally got like 45 minutes of sleep last night. I actually promise you I was not exaggerating. I actually got 45 minutes of sleep, and then I got woke up by a call being like, hey, it's your university people, you gotta go get your visa like right after this, because like I had to change it from a tourist visa to like student visa through the university. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And yeah, I had to go get my visa after this, so I can't even rest.
What is with the sea?
I watched Spider-Man and the Spider-Verse, which was great. We watched Shazam, which was great, and Aladdin, which was great. I think like you can just kind of see the state that I'm in. I'm just like wearing my money belt like around my neck, like I'm at the end of my rope, but we're like an hour away, so we're at the bus stop now. Yeah, that's it.